In this video, I am out visiting a farm near Lancaster, Ohio, as they are turbo tilling and planting soybeans. Running in the field out here, first up is their Case International Steiger 9390 tractor with triples, pulling their 48-foot wide Great Plains Turbo Max. Also starring in the video is their Case International 470 Quadtrac tractor, pulling this Horsch planter. And up at their farm near Buckeye Lake, Ohio, they was also applying anhydrous ammonia with their other Case International Quadtrac. That video has already been uploaded to my YouTube channel. If you've not seen that, I'll put the link to it at the end of this one. But for now, let's watch this 9390 in triples pull this turbo till, and then we'll go back and forth from this to the Quadtrac and the planter. The Case International 9390 tractor was built at the Case IH factory in Fargo, North Dakota from 1997 to 1999. In 1999, this tractor sold for approximately $160,000 depending how it was equipped. This tractor was powered with a Cummins 14-liter 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine rated at 425 engine horsepower. Looks like there was a couple different transmission options available for this tractor, and you could also get these with a PTO and a 3-point hitch. I don't see a lot of articulated four-wheel drive tractors in Ohio with triples, so it was very cool to catch this thing out in the field in action. The Great Plains Turbo Max is a vertical tillage tool, just used here for light tillage, just to kind of scratch the surface of the ground. This field had a cover crop seeded in it, was sprayed, and they're just running this over ahead of the planter. Now, I had a recent comment saying this is a 40-foot tool, not a 48-foot, saying Great Plains never made a 48-foot Turbo Max, but they actually did. It no longer shows up in their product lineup, though. So it does look like, as of now, the largest Turbo Max you can get is 40-foot, not 48. And that is going to do it for this video. If you would, please go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.